morning, this is Virgie the Dreamer from Mindanao, Davao City, guys. Currently working here in Hong Kong, so today's content is all about cooking my lunch. Actually guys, ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay kumakain ng lunch at si baby, pero iba yung para sa baby. So my lunch for today, it's all about soup, fish, sa Bisaya guys, lauoy, no? Fish with soup. So ito ang lunch ko ngayon guys, kasi anytime kung anong gusto kong kainin guys, okay naman din. Okay naman sa mga amo ko kasi ako lang bahala kung ano ang lunch ko. So this is for today. My lunch is a fish. Nilagyan ko ng okra at cabbage. Was asin and ginger. That's all for this morning. God bless us all. Bye!